Did you know that the wrong wire gauge could lead to overheating or even safety hazards? Understanding wire gauge sizes is crucial for designing reliable custom cable assemblies. The wire gauge determines a wire's thickness, directly affecting its current carrying capacity and resistance. Choosing the correct gauge is essential to prevent power loss and performance issues. The American Wire Gauge, or AWG system, is the North American standard for wire sizing. Interestingly, a larger gauge number means a thinner wire, while a smaller number indicates a thicker wire. An AWG chart provides crucial data: gauge number, diameter, cross-sectional area, resistance, and ampacity. This information helps in selecting the right wire for your custom cable needs. Consider current carrying capacity, voltage, length, flexibility, and environmental factors when choosing a wire gauge. These elements ensure your cable assembly is safe and efficient. For expert guidance, trust Circuit Assembly for your custom cable solutions. Like and subscribe for more insights on optimizing your cable assemblies.